Hey guys, welcome back to the motherfreaking Chanel. How are you guys all doing? I hope you're all having an amazing day so far. So for today's video, I'm gonna be trying something that I've never tried before. I'm super excited. I got a really fun PR package from the company Maniology. They are a stamping nail company, and like, you know, all the stamps, like the little, anyway, we'll get into it, but nail stamping has been around for quite a while, but I've never done it before. So today's gonna be my very first time trying stamping. I've done so much research on it. I literally have like read and watched so many videos that I just feel like I'm so ready to try this out. I'm gonna be showing you guys a bunch of tips and tricks for how to do nail stamping. If you're having any problems with your stamper, how to do it, all of that good stuff, then you're going to really enjoy this video. You guys told me you wanted to see me try like some new things, so I thought this would be perfect to try for you guys. They sent me over this really big PR package. Like, there's so much fun stuff in here. So shout out to you, Maniology. You guys are so amazing. I loved working with them and communicating to get this video done, and they're just like a really great people. So I have a coupon code that is Slay by J, and you'll save some money on all your purchases on their website. I'll have everything linked down below. But today we're really going to dive into what is stamping. Like I said, tips and tricks and hacks and all of that good stuff. And yeah, I'm really excited. So if you want to see what's in this PR package, see me try nail stamping for the first time, my thoughts, my opinions, an honest review, and just what I think about it overall, then just keep watching. Mwah. Bye. Okay, so let's get into this fun unboxing from Maniology. If you guys, I seriously love this so much, and I hope that you end up loving it too. I didn't use everything in today's video that I got here, but that's because I have another special video planned for you guys. So the first thing we're going to be showing today is this nail starting stamping kit, and it comes in this really cute little cloth bag with all the goodies inside of it. The first thing that I'm going to go through is, of course, the stamper. There's tons of different stampers on the market. Maniology also has like a ton of different ones too. This is just the one that came with the kit that I chose. It's a double-headed stamper, and it has a bigger stamper on one end and then a smaller one on the other end. And it's really cool because you take out whatever side you're not using, and it allows you to really see through that and really get a precise stamp on your nail. And then to keep it safe, you just put it back, you know. But it was really nice because you could literally see everything so easily. Like, it's incredible. It was really awesome. And then to get off all the hairs and dust, you can use a lint roller, or you can use some tape, and you just gently roll it on there and it gets off everything, so you're perfect and all clean for your stamping. We also got this really cute card, and this is for the polish. You guys will see me use this in a little bit, but I love the details. And then this kit also came with 2 different polishes. So these are stamping polishes. There's a difference between regular nail polish and stamping polish, which I will go over later in the video, but these colors were really pretty. They were a little bit sheer, so I didn't use them today just because this was my first time, and I really had a easier time using just the regular stamping polishes that didn't have glitter and that weren't so sheer, but they're absolutely gorgeous. This is the plate that came in the stamping starter kit, and it's so cute. Like, it has all these really fun hearts, and they're so detailed, and I just saw myself using this a lot, and like the possibilities are endless, you know? It has that blue film on it that you want to remove before you start stamping, and voila, it's beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty. On the back it says Maniology, and these are stainless steel, and they're really easy to clean, and honestly, like, really easy to use. I also got this fun little gadget they sent over. So pineapples are like their main staple piece, I think, in their brand. And this is really cool because you pick up cotton swabs with it. You just press down the pineapple and it picks up your cotton swab, and then it allows you to easily clean off your plate. And I went and got cotton swabs so you guys can see me use it later in the video, but it's so fun and so cute. I also got this brush. This is a angled precision brush, so the quality is so good. I love the little details, how pretty it was, and honestly, like, it was really good quality. And it's angled perfectly that you can get your cuticles in each side of your nail too. So I also got 3 different little polish things. This is a sticky base coat, and I think this is normally used for reverse stamping, which I also didn't do in today's video, but I promise I will because it's really interesting. I got this Sugar Speed dry top coat, and I use this on my thumb today, and it's so beautiful. Like, it reminds me of Hollow Taco's Unicorn Tears. Like, it's stunning. I just loved it, and it looked really pretty on too. And then last but not least, I got this Mani mask, and this is latex-free cuticle protector. The directions on the back, and I also use this today, you guys will see, but really awesome product, super easy to use, and just really good quality. I got 3 other stamping plates. One of them I'm not going to be using today because I'm going to be doing, like I said, another video, but this is the stamping plate that I used, and it's so cute, you guys. It's like a little bit Valentine's-y, but I was like, this is so me. This is stamping plate M045, which you can find on their website. I'll have everything linked down below, but the details on it were just adorable. This is the water marbling plate that I'm going to be saving. I'm doing a special water marble tutorial for you guys. And then this is my favorite. This was so cute. This is like crystals, and moons and a little bit of stars, galaxy stuff, and I'm so glad I got this, you guys, because I used it so much today. But isn't this beautiful? Like, who knew that all this little detail you could actually get on your nail? Like, it's blowing my mind. The stamping polishes I got was called School's Out, and you guys are going to see how awesome these are. First of all, they were packaged absolutely amazing. I've never seen anybody package their polish like this, and it just like really can give you some security knowing they're going to arrive all in one piece and not damaged. And aren't they stunning? You guys are going to see a swatch here in a second, and they are stamping polishes. So they're different than regular polish, which once again I will go over. But I already have my nails all ready to go. I just have some full cover Eno Couture square nails and Macart's Blanco gel polish. So I wanted to just see how this was gonna go today, and I had a really hard time my first couple times trying to pick up the stamp. Like, I just couldn't do it. Like, I don't know what was going on. It wasn't coming out very clear. I was trying like a million things and I just couldn't get it. Like, you're gonna see how it looks just not right. So I was like, okay, we're going to prime our stampers. So what I did is I got some room temperature water. I put some Dawn dish soap, not too much, just a little bit. Stirred it all up so you could see the bubbles, and then we're going to clean our stamper heads and prime them. So all I did was dump them in the water for 10 to 15 seconds, really just rubbed them around, make sure that they were clean. And then we're going to take them out and put them in some room temperature water just to get all of the soap off. And then we're going to dab them with a paper towel, really gentle. And after I get the water off, I'm going to take some Scotch tape and then just gently kind of peel it off the top to get all the excess water, any remaining dust. And you guys, you're going to see how good it picked up. Like, my confidence just shot through the roof because I was like, yes, I got it. Like, oh my goodness, the detail on it just came out so good. It was so easy after I primed it. And all you need is soap and water. So definitely do that if you're having a hard time. I also washed off the stamping plates as well with some soap and water. And after I did those two things, I was good to go. I thought it was me like pushing too hard or, like putting it at a weird angle, and nope, they just needed to both be primed. So please do that. If you have given up on nail stamping, please try it again, you guys. Like, I'm such a fan. I can see myself doing this literally all of the time. And look at how this came out. Like, what? It's so beautiful. I was so excited. So I'm just going to wash off the plates really quick so we can start all fresh. I'm just using nail polish remover, and then I just took my shirt because I didn't like the fingerprints on it. And all the remaining little polish you have on your stamper, just take some tape or a lint roller and then just get it off. Super easy. It's ready to go. So we're going to start with my thumb today, and what you want to do is put a little line of polish, scrape it with your card, and then pick up the stamp. Like I said, you can see through the stamper, so you can see exactly where you're going to put it. And if there's any like little polish hanging off the sides, you just gently take your finger and pat it down, and it's ready to go. Like, I did it, you guys. I was so excited. So throughout this video, you're just going to see me stamping a bunch of different images, trying to be creative, trying both plates, and just trying to be fun and like see what I can do, you know? And my thumb was just like a practice run, but then you'll see me get a little bit more creative with my other nails. But I'm obsessed, you guys. It was so cute. I want to get a ton more plates because I just want to like go crazy with this stamping. I'm using the Mani mask on my 4 fingers just because, like I said, I wanted to do some cool designs and I knew I was going to get it on my skin. So you'll see me remove this and how easy it is. But if you don't have this, it's totally fine. If you get polish on your skin, just take a clean up brush and some acetone and clean it up and you'll be totally good to go. So not a necessity, but definitely something fun to have if you're into stamping. It just makes life a little bit easier, you know? What else do I want to talk about? So the difference between, before I do that, I'm going to show you how I do an ombre really quick. So I'm taking 2 different polishes and I'm covering up the whole image this time. Taking my card and I'm going to move it up and down just a tiny bit to make sure ombre. Take my stamper, go at a 45-degree angle so that I could get everything evenly. And then I'm just going to look through the stamper and see where I want to apply it. Then I just like go up and down side to side without moving. Like you want to be really still because if you move, it's going to smudge it. But I'm not sure if you guys can tell, like just by the stamping polish, like regular polish wouldn't just stay where it's at. You know what I mean? Like there's a total difference between stamping polishes and you have to work fairly fast. Like you have to put the polish, scrape it, pick it up, pat it on your nail like ASAP. That clip I just showed you, I took some acetone and a Q-tip and then I just removed the part I didn't want because I wanted it to be like the XO. I wanted it to be like a half nail so I could do some fun rhinestones, which you guys will see at the end. But doesn't this look so cute? And then taking acetone and removing any excess I had. But wow, you guys, that was so easy. It took me like 5 minutes to do that one nail. This one, I'm also doing an ombre. I just like the ombre. I thought it was really cute and it was so easy. Like, I don't know, I was just shocked. There's a bunch of different ways to do stamping. There's like reverse stamping. You can make decals. You can do so much cool stuff. And I'm really excited to show you guys. As you just saw in that other clip, I had messed up. So all I did was remove it with acetone and then I just redid it and it came out good. Honestly, you're probably not going to get it your first time, but try it 2, 3, 4 times. You're going to get it and you're going to be so proud of yourself like I was. And then this one, I just wanted to see if I could do like a little 4-color. And yeah, I think it'd be really cool if you did like rainbow or something, you know? But once again, like like it's awesome. And I also have to give credit to this polish because this polish really was amazing to work with. And that middle finger, I didn't like how it came out the first time, so I removed it and redid it again and it just came out so cute. Like you would see these nails and you would be like, this would take literally 10 hours, you know? But with these stampers, they're so fast. So if you want to get into stamping, something really cool that Maniology does is they have a nail stamping starter kit. So if you really want to try it, all you have to do is go pick out a stamping kit, or a starter one, and then pay shipping and handling, and they'll send it to you. So it's free, but you pay shipping and handling. So it's like 20 something bucks for a starter kit, and then you don't pay that, and the shipping and handling is like $7. So I'm gonna leave everything linked. They gave me a coupon code, which is Slay by J, and you can save some money. I hope that you guys go and try this because it is a game changer. And I just think it's really cool because they give everyone the opportunity to try it without like splurging money, you know? So this heart reminded me of Powerpuff Girls. I wanted to remove one of the lines, so I took a Q-tip, some acetone, removed it, and it turned out so cute, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. And then like the white background just made it. They also put this sticker in the PR package, which was really fun. And then, like I said, I got some cotton rounds and I wanted to show you guys how it actually works. And I wish I would have had these during like earlier because I would have been using, I cleaned my plate like 30 times, you guys, like, because I'd mess up, have to redo it, you know, so it's just really convenient having that. And now I'm going to show you what that really pretty top coat looks like, and it just added something cute, you know. I think it would look really dope on black polish, but I just used it on the thumb so I could show you guys what it looks like, but I love it. I can see me using this all the time, and like in the light, it just like, it changes colors. It's really pretty. So I'm going to be just applying gel top coat to all of these and then putting some rhinestones on. Kept it really simple, really cute. Like the artwork spoke for itself and I really didn't want to take away from that. So yeah, this was so fun. I just cannot get over how much I love this. Like my sister and my mom were like, oh my gosh, Janessa, like those are the bombest nails. I'm like, I know, they're so fun. Thank you so much, Maniology, for asking me to collab with you guys. Like, I'm so glad I went out of the box and I tried this because I would have never tried this, like, if they wouldn't have asked me. And now I found a new little hobby I have, and I just love it. I'm going to put some cuticle oil on and then get some cool shots, and I will see you guys in my next video. The next one I'm doing with Maniology is water marble. I can't wait for you guys to see. It's going to be freaking cool. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you think about these nails. And if you watched till this far, I love you so much. You are the Slayer supporter. You guys rock. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Bye.